Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check the oil level in your Audi S4. First, ensure your car is on a flat surface, as this is crucial for an accurate reading. Then, let the engine cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes after it has been running. This allows the oil to settle back into the oil pan. Finally, have a clean rag or paper towel ready to wipe the dipstick. Now, open your hood and locate the oil dipstick. It usually has a brightly colored handle, often yellow or orange, making it easy to spot. Carefully pull the dipstick out of its tube. Use your clean rag to thoroughly wipe off all the oil from the dipstick. This ensures you get a precise reading on your next insertion. Observe the two marks on the dipstick, indicating the minimum and maximum oil levels. Once the dipstick is clean, reinsert it all the way back into its tube until it's fully seated. Wait for a few seconds, perhaps 5 to 10, to allow the oil to coat the dipstick properly. Then, pull the dipstick out again, holding it horizontally to prevent oil from running. Observe where the oil level falls on the dipstick. It should ideally be between the minimum and maximum marks. If your oil level is below the minimum mark, it's time to add some oil. Refer to your Audi S4 owner's manual for the exact type and viscosity of oil recommended. Add a small amount, perhaps 1/4 of a quart at a time, then recheck the level. It's important not to overfill, as too much oil can also cause engine problems. Repeat this process until the oil is within the safe range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.